Is it recording? Yes, it is. Alright, so it is Saturday morning. I just made it to the small airport we have in my hometown in Lausanne, Switzerland. I'm going to meet with my man Matt. He's a pilot, so we're going to have a flight above the Alps. It is pretty cloudy today, so the plan is to just go right above the clouds and hopefully see the peaks going right through the clouds. So if it's the case, it is just going to be insane.
Yeah, Miami ground, X-ray 1, radio check, X-ray 1 good.
So if you saw the first episode, this is where we crashed our drone. We had to climb all the way to the top of that mountain to get it back, and now we're just flying right above it. Damn, man, that was insane. Probably some of the sickest landscapes I ever saw. That was just out of this world, man. That was sick.